Alright, so good day everybody. I'm Jermaine, husband to Miss Simone Henry, and I'll be doing a voiceover for her video today. She needed my help basically because I've been listening to a couple of her voiceovers so far, and I mean just how she goes about doing it, I really think that she can do better. And this is just my appeal to persons out there as well. If you need my assistance or anything like that, I'm available for voiceovers. You can reach out to me. My email address will be in the description bar somewhere up here. Oh, but that's what you
where? No, where you want it?
Over there or down here.
Point here. It'll be right here.
Right here? Okay.
Right here.
Right here.
So I'll put it right here.
Over this side, I was looking this right here.
Here.
Yeah, because it's a trouble. Of course, I kind of want to see myself, but then.
Alright, go.
Okay. Alright, so we're looking at a. Oh, that's fast. A pencil. On top of, alright, and then what she's doing now is that she's drawing her eyebrows, a very important part of the makeup process. Alright, a little bit overkill for my taste, so it was a little bit too thick.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Alright, this camera is not focusing, so it's hard to really tell the name. I'm sorry guys, we'll get that to you shortly. Made in Germany. Made in Germany. Alright, so using that to do the outline of the eyebrows. Alright, to give it more depth. Alright, and then of course some Sedona lace as well. Wonderful person, you should really get to know her.
It's a company.
It's a company. Alright. Well, I know Sedona personally. You probably just know her reputation and company. So, okay. Fenty Beauty. It's Rihanna, right?
Yes.
Alright. Fenty Beauty. And that's drizzling down her face for a reason, guys. Alright, so the natural flow allows it to. Oh, my phone is ringing.
No,
so the natural flow allows it to. Jesus, she's moving way too fast. I think you really speed up this video.
I didn't. It's natural time.
And you have to use some concealer now. And these African carvings are for a reason. This is really just celebrating a heritage.
Look, there's more.
It's complete bull.
There's more. Jermaine.
Alright, so and then there's some more. I have to kind of mark it into my face because of how tough my skin is.
My skin or
that's how tough Lyric's skin is. So I have to kind of get in there basically, and then we're just smoothing it out now with a brush. That's one of the pomade brushes.
Yes.
I'm gonna brush it in my ear.
I'm sorry.
I'm trying to focus. And this is to highlight the largest of my forehead right there. So if you notice, like just where the highlight is of my forehead, I'm trying to bring that out. Alright. And then some Sacha Buttercup setting powder.
Nice.
I know this.
Hey.
Alright. We're going to let it bake. We're baking now. And this is very, very symbolic of just cooking. You know, the right ingredients, then letting it sit for a while, letting it bake. Alright. The face is so powdered though. And then we're just going to.
So the number there, 300. You have to. Hold it.
In 2 seconds.
You have to look close.
Alright, and then some orange. That's orange.
Yes.
Just to highlight the eyes. Let's work with the color. Alright, I'll get the numbers to you guys in the description bar up there.
Down there. It's down there.
Down there. The brow actually look really nice.
Thank you.
Really nice. Alright, US OZ.
298 is the number. It's 298.
And then we'll have some purple that we're going to use.
It's number 2.
So what we'll do is that we're blending colors right now. We're blending colors to create the effect that we want to have. And we're adding more colors. I'm not surprised that we're adding some more colors right now because the effect isn't fully there, but I see the depth. And then we're going to use now the pencil to do hands, alright, and some more essentials. Glitter. Is that glitter? Pirates go. Pirates. Jesus. Alright, so we're doing a little bit of shimmer. This is shimmer.
It wasn't glitter, it was shimmer.
Shimmer.
That's
and then this is the pomade.
Yeah.
With the YTS Concolic and they were using some brown lipstick. Lip gloss, lipstick. And this is a lot of things too. Number 3. I'm using some number 3, which is really just glossy, shimmery effect. And you guys probably would know about this, only professionals. Understand what this is for. So I really don't need to go in depth and explain what's.
No, explain.
I think that the professionals that are watching would already know. And this is a finished look, guys. This is a finish. This is it, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Jesus. This is a finished look, guys. Alright, so thank you guys so much. Please click the subscribe button.
Hey!
Up here. Can you put it up here this time?
No, it's down there.
Down here? I thought this was my thing.
No. Thank you so much, Jeremy, for doing this video. He's not one for the camera. He's shaking. Are your hands shaking?
I'm not shaking.
Oh no, because it did reach back to grab my bottom.
Yeah, not for stretch.
And because it's big.
Yes.
Because it's big. Thank you so much, Jeremy, for doing this video for me. I'm also vlogging this as well, so that'll be cool. So that's another camera down there, sir. No. But thank you so much, Jeremy, for doing this for me. He has promised to come on my channel even more. So he'll be doing my makeup. Husband does my makeup. And then he'll be doing husband does my makeup blindfolded. And then we'll be doing some hot challenges, either spicy noodle challenge or the one chip challenge or
not talk about that.
Or something like that. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing. Thank you so much for doing this for me, Jeremy.
You're welcome.
You must kiss me now.
You have one lipstick?
Yeah, man.
Wow. I'll leave it on. It's all good.
Really?
Alright, and I'm available. Like I said,
she never leaves on my lipstick.
You can reach out for me. Just spoil it now.
No!
I'm available for voiceover, so you can reach out. You can reach out to me. My email will be in the description bar.
It's always down there.
Always down here, guys. Always down here. That's it.
That's
I
it?
was going to say something else, but I completely forgot.
But so this is it?
Yeah, this is it.
So I can tell them bye-bye.
It was really, really fun.
It was?
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye. It don't look bad. I tried to take some pictures, but my hand can't.
Glossy, what are they?
And it's not that glossy.
I need to share.
Do you know what I mean? It's not even that bad, it gone. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video, and you'll see him in another video. Bye, guys. Was that bad?
Was weird. This thing moves way too fast. I cannot distract me though. I'm
sorry. Oh, I must press play. Alright. So you have to start right as the video starts. So you can tell them what you're seeing. Okay?
Oh, Jesus. Right.
Introduce yourself. Tell them who you are. Babe, tell them who you are.
I am going to tell them.
You're recording in?
Yeah, but you need to come over a little bit more.
Come over a little bit more to where? To this side?
Yeah, because it's interesting to get to it. You really want to listen to me? Yeah, just listen to me.
Alright, go.
Alright, good day everyone. I'm Jeremy and Henry.
You know, for sound so fun.
I don't have to sound that fun.
No.
Why so much cameras?
Because it's on my vlog.